Today, I am going to explain the sales process in acsysERP. The modules in sales process are estimation, quotation, and sales order. Then delivery order, packing list, sales return, sales invoice, credit note, and receipt voucher. This slide shows the two sales flow, where the system allows conversion from one document to another. You can either do sales by making delivery first, followed by invoice and then the payment. This is referred as sales process 1. Or make the invoice first and then delivery order later. This is referred as sales process 2. In this session, we will see the sales process 2 of acsysERP. In case of sales process 1, the sales order is converted to delivery order, and then to sales invoice. But in this video, we will follow the sales process 2, where the sales order is converted to sales invoice, and then to delivery order. Now, I am going to start with quotation stage. Open the quotation form, and click on New button. Then, select the customer name. Enter the item details, quantity, and the selling price. For the second item, let's have a closer look at the item dialog. Here, you can see the stock by warehouse, or branch. This section below shows the item history of previous quotation, sales order, invoice, and purchase order. Now save the document. Next step is to convert the quotation to sales order. Open the sales order form, and click on New button. We can enter the details directly, or convert it from quotation. Let's select the recently saved quotation. This will load all the relevant details from the quotation. We can modify the details if required. Let's change the price, and save the sales order. Open the sales invoice form, click on New button, select the sales order number from the list. Let's select the cash invoice type, and ensure the Update Inventory checkbox is unticked. Saving the document will launch the cashier form, where it shows the cash tendered, and the balance details. Click on this button to see the GL entries for this document. Let me open the Billwise report and the ledger statement. The newly created document entry is reflected in both the reports. The sales order list view shows the status as closed. Now, let's deliver the items from the sales invoice document. Create a new delivery order. Select the conversion type as invoice, and then enter the invoice number. System loads all the relevant data from sales invoice document. You can make partial delivery, but let's make it full now. Save and print the delivery order. Click on this button to see the GL entries for this document. Check the sales invoice status after the delivery. The sales cycle is complete for this document. Transaction history shows the conversion process. You have seen the sales process 2 in acsysERP. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. For more videos on ERP, subscribe to this channel.